If we try to plug in x equals 1 to this limit, we get the natural log of 1, which is 0, divided by 1 minus 1, which is also 0. So that doesn't work. But we see this is in an indeterminate form. And so in fact, we can evaluate this limit using L'Hopital's rule. That tells us that the limit of this quotient of functions is actually the same as the limit of the quotient of their derivatives, provided that limit exists. So we'll differentiate the numerator, which gives us 1 divided by x, and we'll differentiate the denominator, which is positive 1. So again, applying L'Hopital's rule, the derivative of ln x is 1 over x, the derivative of x minus 1 is 1, and of course 1 over x over 1 is just 1 over x. And so this is the same as this limit, the limit of 1 over x as x approaches 1, which can be evaluated directly by substitution. We then find that the limit is equal to 1.